All right, let's test out this new camera I got. Let's get some of this chicken thighs seasoned up. Now you've seen me do them before with a Ziploc bag, but this time we're gonna try it out with some plastic wrap, because that's how I do it in bulk. Sometimes it's a little bit easier when you're doing a lot of chicken. I'm just gonna do this one package today, but usually I got a couple of packages and I just grill them all at one time. All right, let's get it started. Here's a little cling wrap. You can wipe the counter down a little bit with a dry towel. Well, actually that's not true. Kind of a damp towel, that way the plastic will stick down to it. All right. Doesn't have to be perfect. Overlap it. Pull it off. All right.
Dad, what is for dinner?
Ezra, I'm gonna grill some chicken thighs, but I'm also gonna do some turkey skewers and we're gonna barbecue them. How about that? I'm gonna put that on the grill as well. All right, let's just get these laid down right here. Now if you do another layer of plastic wrap, we could do a whole bunch of chickens. All right, let's get all this thrown away. And let's go wash your hands. Quick little wash off. All right. Now that our hands are dry, we can get some seasoning sprinkled on there. This is just a little blend I put together for myself. And a little salt. All right, oh, let's wipe this up too. Looks like a little chicken juice. All right, a little cracked pepper. All right. Get a pair of tongs. Probably could have used them tongs right out the package, not mess up your hands at all. I didn't think about that though. I was thinking more about using up my new toy. All right. All right, a little salt and seasoning. And the pepper. All right. And now, so this is like part 2 of smashed chicken. If you've watched my videos. Any of my videos I have on YouTube or Facebook. Like most things, I think my cutter on my plastic wrap has gave out on me. There we go. That worked a little bit better. All right. Now that we got all the seasoning in there, get all that pounded out. And then we can, I'm not going to grill it right away, so we can let it sit around and marinate a little bit. This is another good part about it. Roll it up. put it away for later. So we'll go back in the refrigerator with that. All right.